In this video, I'll show you how to create Facebook page for musicians. So what you need to do, open up your Facebook, click on pages. You're going to be able to see pages you manage. So click on create. So we want to create a Facebook page for musicians. So come on and enter the name of your music. You can just type in test. Click on done. Okay, just wait for it to load up. So I think the reason why I can't be able to create is that I think I've created a previous one just a few minutes ago. So if you're trying it on your own, and they're going to be able to see this next option. So once you click on the next, you're going to be able to see a full details you can be able to fill in. So once you've filled all the important details in, just click on create page. So I use that same way to create this Yugu music. I'm just using for test tutorials. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you share this video, like and subscribe.